This video explains how we can execute Selenium test in Ruby on Mac system. So to that, you will have to have Ruby installed on your Mac, and then you can execute these commands. Gem install test unit. So this is the dependency that we are going to need. Then gem install test unit to run our gem.xml and Selenium WebDriver. So all these three gems are required. So gem is a package management tool, just like how we have npm in Node.js. We have got gem in Ruby, which allows you to install the dependencies. So for execution of the Selenium test, I will need these three dependencies or packages or gems, we call it in Ruby language. Then once these gems are installed, you can create a new test, and with the extension .rb, which stands for Ruby. And this is the sample test. I'm requiring these assertions, Selenium WebDriver, and then gem.xml reporter. And here in this test, this is extended by this test case class, and in here what I'm doing is I'm launching the Safari and checking the title contains software. It's very simple test. And to execute this test, you can use this command ruby test ruby.rb, and then you use the runner to create the XML report. So here in the Visual Studio Code, you can use this as an editor for Ruby, and I'm going to execute this test for you. So my test is in test-ruby.rb file, and I'm just going to give ruby and then file name. So all the tests will be executed from that file. There's just one test case there, and you can see the test is passed. Same way, if you want to automate Chrome browser, then you will have to pass the Chrome driver binary, and you can see here this is the syntax to set the Chrome driver binary, and then here we are actually starting the Chrome browser. Let us execute the test now again. This time around, instead of Safari, it will launch Chrome, and in the same way it will launch Firefox if you give the Firefox Gecko driver path as well. So that is how you can execute your tests, Selenium tests especially in Ruby in Mac, and similar steps you can do with other operating system as well, Windows and Linux. It should be pretty similar to what we have seen in this video. In next video, I'm going to show you how you can execute the same tests, this Ruby tests in Azure DevOps. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video.